Every week, another 50 AI tools launch, and every single one of them claims it will change your life. I've spent the last 6 months actually using these tools for real work. Writing, coding, design, research, audio, and video. And here's the honest truth. You only need 7. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly which 7 are worth your time, what each one actually does best, and which expensive subscriptions you can safely cancel. Let's get into it. Number 1. ChatGPT. Yes, it's the obvious pick, but most people still use it wrong. ChatGPT is not a search engine. It's a thinking partner. Where it shines is drafting, emails, proposals, outlines, and difficult conversations you don't know how to start. The free tier is genuinely good now, but the paid plan adds deep research and file analysis, which is where the real value lives. My rule is simple. If a task starts with a blank page, ChatGPT goes first. One warning though, never trust it blindly with facts and numbers. Always verify anything that sounds too specific. Used this way, it saves me roughly 5 hours every single week. Number 2. Perplexity. This is what search should have become. You ask a question, it searches the live web, reads the sources, and gives you an answer with citations you can actually check. For research, comparisons, and anything where being up to date matters, it beats a regular chatbot every single time. I use it for market research, fact-checking my scripts, and finding sources fast. The free plan covers most people. If your work involves research of any kind, this replaces an hour of jumping between browser tabs with 2 minutes of asking better questions. Number 3. Claude. If ChatGPT is the generalist, Claude is the writer and the analyst. Give it a 50-page document, and it will actually read the whole thing, then summarize it, question it, or rewrite it in your voice. For long documents, careful writing, and reviewing code, it's consistently the strongest tool I've tested. It's also noticeably better at keeping your tone instead of making everything sound like a press release. If you're a writer, a consultant, or anyone who works with long, messy documents, this is the one that will surprise you the most. Number 4. Cursor. This one is for anyone who builds software or wants to. Cursor is a code editor with AI built into its core. You describe what you want in plain English, and it writes, edits, and debugs code across your entire project. Complete beginners are shipping real, working apps with it. Experienced developers are reporting 2 to 3 times their normal output. And here's the wild part. Even if you've never written a line of code, you can now build a small internal tool for your business without hiring anyone. That used to cost thousands of dollars. Now it costs an afternoon. Number 5. Midjourney. For images, it still produces the most striking results of anything I've used. Thumbnails, product mockups, brand visuals, storyboards. The difference is in the details, lighting, texture, and composition that don't scream AI generated. The killer feature for creators is style consistency. You can lock a look and produce a whole set of images that feel like one brand. If images are part of your work in any way, this pays for itself with the first freelancer invoice you don't have to send. Number 6. ElevenLabs. Text goes in, a studio-quality voice comes out. The voices are natural enough that most listeners can't tell, complete with breathing, pacing, and emotion. You can also clone your own voice, record once, and then produce narration without ever touching a microphone again. For faceless video channels, audiobooks, and course creators, this single tool removes the biggest production bottleneck, recording clean audio. There's a free tier to test it, and the starter plan costs less than a single hour in a recording studio. Number 7. Descript. This changed how I think about editing. It transcribes your video, and then you edit the video by editing the text. Delete a sentence in the transcript, and that part of the video is gone. It removes filler words automatically, fixes awkward pauses, and can even regenerate a flubbed word in your own voice. For podcasts, interviews, and talking head videos, it turns hours of timeline editing into minutes of reading. If editing is the reason you don't publish, this is the tool that fixes it. So that's the stack. 7 tools that actually earn their place. Here's my advice. Don't sign up for all 7 today. Start with the free plans of ChatGPT and Perplexity. Use them for a week on real work, and then add one tool at a time as you hit a real limit. Because the tools are not the advantage. The habit of using them is. Next video, I'm testing the most hyped new AI tools of 2026, and honestly, most of them failed. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.